Hey everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can draw a cat and a dog, although you can use it for any animal actually, just using a few basic shapes. It will help also with your hand and eye coordination, and importantly it will also help your freehand drawing skills. So let's jump in and start with a cat. So for this I'm starting with a circle, adding some triangles for the ears and an oval for the body, and also an oval for where the back leg is going to be, because it's a cat that is going to be sitting down. So that's going to come into this little oval down here. Then I'm adding some rectangles with rounded ends for the front leg, and I've popped in some little ovals that will be the paws. So next I'm adding some guidelines which are going to help to place the eyes and the nose and the mouth. So that's there, and I reckon he's looking pretty cute already. So after refining the shapes and getting them in the same proportions, we've joined the head and the body with a gentle curve. Right, so next is a dog. Again, I'm starting with a little circle for the head. I've got a rectangle for the snout, an oval for the body, and I'm also using ovals to mark in the hips and the shoulders, tail, and the legs will be rectangular. Here is another guideline for the eyes, and also next is refining the shapes. So I'll keep playing with them until I'm happy. When there's too many lines, I'll erase the ones I don't need, otherwise it just tends to get too confusing. So from there I just continually refine the shapes until I end up with a little dog that looks in proportion, so everything's relatively the correct size. And I'll keep playing around with that, erasing lines if there's too many, and keep working until he's looking pretty cute. So again, just erasing all the lines that are just going to confuse it. And he's looking pretty happy with him at the minute, so going well. So yeah, I just keep doing that until you're happy. And from there we have our little dog.